Teacher Bridget here. I had some people recently request to see my 2-monitor setup. So I wanted to share that with y'all and also share with y'all how easy it is to get ready with ManyCam and Google Slides in the morning before I teach. Alright, I'm going to go switch over to a view where you can see both of my monitors at the same time. So on the left side here, I have my second monitor. It's just an HP that I got off of a Facebook marketplace. And then on my first screen here, this is just my laptop. And on my first screen, I will end up having the VIPKid app open. So first off, to get ready in the morning, I open up ManyCam. I already have it open right now because that's what I'm actually recording this video on. But once I open up ManyCam, I also open up the Opera browser. So Opera is similar to the Google Chrome browser, except it uses a lot less resources to function properly. So I use that because my computer running ManyCam, Opera, and the app, and sometimes a couple of other things, my computer gets a little bit bogged down, but not too bad. It just kicks the fan on. So I'm going to open up my Opera browser here and wait for it to pop up. So it automatically popped up in the last location that I had it, which is perfect. This is where my Opera browser stays open the entire time that I teach. And I'm going to exit out of this, and Opera will pull up whatever you had in it last when you closed the Opera browser, which happens to be my planner. So this planner is actually from this morning. It was from my morning classes. But to show y'all how I get ready for the planner in the morning, I'm just going to show y'all what it would look like with it already filled up. So I get my planner ready the night before, and then I open everything up the morning of. So this pretty much is what it would look like when I got up the morning I needed to teach. And I would just go ahead and open up all of my favorite props. I only open up, for me personally, I only open up 4 props at a time, and then however many rewards that I'm using at a time. So I'll go ahead and open all those up and let them load. And those are all in column H. And I'll let those load, and then I would go and open up my rewards. I'm trying to remember what I used this morning. I used animals on bikes this morning, and I also used I'll just pull up another random one. We'll say fairy-tailed birdie. That sounds good. And I'll go ahead and move them around to be in the correct order. So my MC L4 U7 LC2 9 is my first class of the morning. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first slide that actually has material on it. The rest of the slides are just instructional or just informational. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the slide that I want. I'll click present, and then I'm going to minimize that to where it's not covering up the rest of my tabs. And then I'll go ahead and get the reward system open that I want as well. This isn't actually the reward that I use for this class, but just for the sake of time, I'm going to use it as the reward example. And then I minimize everything back down. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to make my Opera browser be my preset 2, which is right here. Okay, so the way that I do that is I'm going to go up on ManyCam to the presets button, and then where it says preset 2, I'm going to click on the little rectangle with the eyeball, and it pulled up this rectangle on my first monitor right here. I need to move this over on top of my slideshow, my reward system. Alright, there you go. It's perfect. So I just moved it and then made it a little bit bigger. And I'm actually going to do this. Perfect. Okay. And I can X out of that. Now you see down here in preset 2, my reward system is showing up. And my props are showing up if you look down at preset 2 here. Okay, so that's perfect. And then in preset 3, I do something kind of funny with some of my kids. I actually use this preset to go over their face, and I put stickers on their face because most teachers do not have access to the AR sticker function for the students yet. So I do it my own weird way. Alright, and I'm trying to think. So the only other thing that I would need to do in the morning is to pull up my VIPKid app. I'll let that pull up so you guys can get the whole idea. And I'll let it load. And sometimes I need to start doing this more often. I'm also going to open up an additional Opera browser. And what I do here is I have my translator opened and ready just in case I get to any bumps in a class. And I will minimize that down here. Okay, so I can type pretty easily and see what's on here pretty easily as well. Alright, so there's my translator opened up. I'm ready to go. So all that I would have left to do is go in my classroom and set up my third preset. I need to move that rectangle over my student's face and get that set up. But I can do that really quickly while I'm in class, or while I'm waiting for class to begin. And that's pretty much it, I think. I hope I'm not missing anything. So I'm going to show y'all what it actually looks like on my desk. So I'm going to turn my camera around here for a second and you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so here is my second monitor, and I don't have a lot of physical props. This is really it. I have some ice creams and some other things here because I mainly use Google Slides. So this is my second monitor, and then my laptop with the app pulled up. And here I just have my Ethernet jack and then my HDMI cord that goes to this monitor here. So my laptop is hooked up by the HDMI to my second monitor. And I think that covers it. If I miss anything, if y'all have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment box below. All right, thank y'all for watching. Have a good one. Bye.